Yes, good morning everyone. So friends, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Friends, hope it is loud and clear to all of you. Yes guys, good morning. All right. So guys, okay friends, hope it is loud and clear to all of you. Online students, guys, if it is clear, then just let me know and we can start. All right. Okay everyone, fine. So, okay. So guys, let's start today's session. Today we have mixtures and alligation with us, right? And mixtures and alligation is a very strong tool in arithmetic. It will be helping you to solve some other questions of different topics, right? So this is actually a very strong tool, and today's session is going to be an important one, right? So guys, this is and yes, from yesterday only we have taken a decision that now all the classes are merged. I mean English and English, both the classes are merged because English medium students are attending English medium classes. So they only said, sir, please just take one batch only of English medium. We are also comfortable with English, not a problem. So that's why now we are doing only in one YouTube channel, that is UNGIST IAS, right? And the medium will be English only. But yes, if you ask your doubts in Hindi, because yes, I'm very much comfortable with both the languages. So if you ask your doubts in Hindi, so obviously I would be replying in Hindi also, right? So guys, there is, I mean medium won't be the problem, okay? So guys, this is the book that we follow, and this is the test series that is the complementary, I mean that is complementing these classes. So you are advised to buy this test series also. And this is our Telegram group and this is the Telegram channel, right? And after that, these are the programs. This is the mentorship program for offline students, and these are the recorded programs if you want all the lectures together, right? Okay. So friends, today's topic is mixtures and alligation. So guys, mixture, hope you all understand what mixture is, right? And alligation, this is used in weighted average, friends, right? You might have heard this term weighted average, or you might have heard the term average, right everybody? So let me tell you, the questions of different topics can also be solved with this process, but what this process will be, right? And how you are going to recognize that this question can be solved with the help of mixtures and alligation process. So first of all guys, the first thing is what the concept says and how it is how it will be used in the questions. So the concept says, suppose that we have two different type of let's say we have two types of sugar, suppose that, right? A grocer has two types of sugar, suppose that, right? The one is, let's say, cheaper quantity, another is, let's say, dearer quantity. Fine. So if he mixes the two, then price of the mixture would be somewhere between cheaper quantity and dearer quantity, right? And guys, that depends upon the ratio what he has mixed more. If he has mixed cheaper quantity more, then price of the mixture will tend to the cheaper one. And if he has mixed the dearer quantity more, then price of the mixture would be tend to the dearer one. Correct guys? Right. So the process says what? The process is, here C stands for cheaper, D stands for dearer, and M stands for mean price. Correct? So find the ratio of these two and the ratio of these two. This is D minus M and this is M minus C. Everyone? So this is the ratio where the two quantities will be mixed to get the price of the mixture as M. For example, guys, let's say a shopkeeper has two varieties of sugar costing, let's say 15 rupees per kg and 20 rupees per kg, correct? And he wants the mixture worth 17 rupees per kg, suppose that, correct guys? So at what ratio they should be mixed together? So the difference is what? The difference is 3 and here the difference is 2, right? So guys, they would be mixed in the ratio 3:2 to get the mixture worth 17 per kg. Now please try to cross verify the answer, right? Here like 3 units of 15 kg, let's say this is 3 kg of 15 rupees per kg, right? 3 kgs of 15 rupees per kg, fine, plus 2 kgs of 20 rupees per kg. Okay, and what is the total quantity, guys? This is 3 plus 2, 5 kg. Huh? The total quantity is 3 plus 2, 5 rupees. Huh? So what is this 45 and what is this 40? 45 plus 40 is what? 85. 85 divided by 5. 85 divided by 5 will be what? 17 rupees per kg. Everyone, yes or no? Guys, is it clear? Right? So this is the process. And now let me tell you one more thing. What is the ratio of, this is the ratio of what? Just think on it. This is the ratio of what?
Mixture.
No, that is okay. In mixture, this is, inside the mixture, we have the quantities in this ratio. So this is the ratio of what? This is the ratio of the quantity. Right? We have 3 kgs of 15 rupees per kg and we have 2 kgs of this. Correct, everyone? So guys, how do we decide that this is the ratio of quantity? Right? Because in different questions you will have different units. Right? So it would be really difficult to decide this is the ratio of what. Okay? So let me tell you, here you just focus upon the unit of the given thing, right? So this is 15 rupees per kg. Right? Come fast, guys, please. Just done? Okay. Settle on. So this is the this is 15 rupees per kg, right? And this is 20 rupees per kg, correct? So guys, the denominator part of the unit is what? Kg. Fine. It means the quantity. The denominator part of the unit would be quantity, right? So this will be the ratio of the denominator of the unit. Everyone, always this will be the ratio of the denominator of the unit. For example, let's say this is the speed. Everyone, just look at this. This is the speed. Suppose that. This is also the speed and this is also the speed. Then here you will get the ratio of what? No. I repeat. This is a speed. This is a speed. This is average speed. So here you will get the ratio of what? Guys, what is the unit of speed? Or what is the formula for speed? The formula for speed is distance upon time. Right? Or this is meter per second, or let's say kilometer per hour, or whatever. Right? So what is the denominator part of the unit? It is time. So here you are going to get the ratio of time. Is it clear, everyone? Right? Please find it. Right? And we'll be solving the questions of time, speed, distance also with this process. Right? And I'll be showing you how important this is to determine like whose ratio you are going to get here, what ratio you are going to get here. Okay? Everyone fine now? Alright? Let's solve some easy questions, some simple questions first. Right? Yes, everyone, shall we move? Huh? Let's solve some easy questions, some simple questions. Tarun TS Arun IPS is saying, love you so much, so. It is embarrassing. Yeah. All right. Yes. Tarun, I love you too, but I'm straight. Yes, everyone. So, so guys, let's move. Yes. Yes, everyone. Now the first question says, in what ratio must a grocer mix 2 varieties of sugar costing 15 rupees per kg and 20 rupees per kg to get a mixture worth rupees 16.5 rupees per kg, right? Everyone, the question is saying, in what ratio must a grocer mix 2 varieties of sugar costing 15 rupees per kg and 20 rupees per kg as to get the mixture worth rupees 16.5 per kg. Fine. So this is 15, huh? and this is 20 and this is 16.5. Guys, what will be the difference here? 3.5, very good. What will be the difference here? 1.5, very good. Guys, see, this will be the answer, but generally let me tell you, generally ratio is not being represented in terms of decimals, right? We need to represent ratio in terms of integers or the natural numbers, right? So to make this integer, we have to double this and we need to double this, right? So this is 7:3. Everyone, if you are getting something 0.5, so just make it double. So this will become into natural number, right? Or integers. So 7:3. Or if you're not able to decide it, everyone, if you're not able to decide it, or the fraction is like so weird, then what can be done is 3.5 divided by 1.5. This is 3.5 is to 1.5, right? So this is 35 by 15, which is what? 7 by 3, right? Both the numbers are divisible by 5. Everyone fine now? Clear? Okay. Yes guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? Done? हो गया? Okay. Friends, shall we move? Online students, guys, shall we move now? Everybody? Okay. All right. ठीक है. Let's move to the next question, everyone. The next question is, yes, friends, please try to do this question now. करिए जरा and try to do it without using pen, guys. ऐसे ही करिए, ऐसे ही कर दीजिए. Don't use the pen and try to solve this question. Yes. What is the answer? 7:8 or 8:7? 7:8 or 8:7? Yes, everyone. Those who are sitting online also, guys. 7:8 or 8:7? See, everyone, this is 9.3, this is 10.8, and this is 10, correct? So difference is 0.8, 0.7, right? Ayan. Clear? So the answer is what? The answer is 8:7, everybody, right? And guys, in these type of questions, order plays a very important role. Why? Because in the options, you will be definitely getting 8:7 and 7:8, both the answers, right? See, the difference is what? 0.8? 10.8 minus 10. This number will multiplied with 10 and this will also be multiplied with 10, right? Both the numbers will be multiplied with 10, correct? Right? Okay. Yes, everybody fine now? Okay. Is it clear? Everyone? Fine now? Sure? Okay. All right. Let's talk about another question. And everyone, you just read this question, you don't need to solve it, right? You just read this question. Correct? So friends, prima facie this question is talking about, this question looks like the question of average. Just read it. Right? This question looks like the question of average. And yes, this question belongs to the topic average also, the average only. But this question will be solved with the help of, this question can be solved with the help of this process. And friends, how to recognize it in the examination? Right? How would you recognize this in the examination that this question can be solved with the help of mixtures and alligation topic? Correct? यहाँ तो ठीक है, यहाँ तो like we are discussing the topic, so all the questions will be doing with that topic only. But how you will be deciding in the examination? बताइए जरा कुछ, anyways, anyone, anything that is coming to your mind. देखिए, in these type of questions, you will always get a one bigger group, right? And of that bigger group, you will have two subgroups. I repeat, you will always get one bigger group, and of that bigger group, you will have two subgroups, correct? And here, the average of two subgroups will be given, and the average of bigger group will also be given, right? So if this is the situation, I mean, if this is the data in the question, then that question can be solved with the help of mixtures and alligation concept. Guys, it is clear? If you have one bigger group and you have two subgroups, and you will get the average of both the two subgroups and the bigger group also, right? For example, here we have what? Here we have a classroom, and inside that classroom we have boys and we have girls. So average of boys is given, average of girls is given, and the average of entire class is also given. Yes or no, everyone? Right? So this question belongs to the topic mixtures and alligation. I mean, you can solve this question with the help of mixtures and alligation. And now everybody, let me tell you one more thing here, guys, because the final answer will be in the terms of ratios, right? So in ratio, order matters a lot. In the last question you might have seen 7:8 and 8:7, right? So here you always have to follow the order of the question statement, right? So please read the final question statement, what they are asking. They are asking boys to the number of girls, right? Boys to girl. So obviously boy will be here and girl will be here. Guys, is it clear? Right? So you need to follow the order of the question. If they are saying girls is to boys, so you need to write girls here and boys here. Guys, is it fine now? Okay. After that, the average of boys is 25. The average of girls is what? 21. And the average of entire class is 23.5. What is the difference? 1.5. Huh? 2.5 or 1.5? 2.5. Yes. And what is the difference? 1.5. So this is what? This is 5:3. Everybody clear now? Right. So this is 5:3. Right. So the ratio of girls is to boys is 5:3. Number of girls to boys, sorry, number of boys to girls, I'm sorry. Number of boys to girls is 5:3. Everybody clear now? Guys, any doubt, any problem, any confusion, any query? No? Okay. ठीक है. Done? All right. Okay. In 2022, I suppose they have asked one question like this, right? Shall we do that question first? Yes. Okay, take out the book, please. Take out the book. Come to page number 136, question number 6. Sorry, it was asked in 2020. Page number 136, question number 6. नहीं एक्चुअली वो टेबल है, आप जस्ट गो देयर. Right, question number 6. Question number 6 is saying consider the following data. There is a table given, right? Consider the following data. Everyone, hope you have the book with you. Page number 136, question number 6. And those who don't have the book, please guys buy the book as soon as possible, right? Those who are attending the classes but don't have the book, so please buy the book as soon as possible, right? Okay. So friends, question number 6 is saying consider the following data: girls, boys, overall average marks, right? And the question is saying average marks in English and average marks in Hindi, right? So friends, the column number 1, the column is English. English wala column dekhiye zara. This is 9, 8 and 8.8. You might be getting the values, all of you. This is question number 6, CSAT 2020, right everyone? So just read the question. The question is saying, the final question statement is what? What is the value of x in the above table, right? And X is what? X is the overall average marks in Hindi of the class, right? Okay. So what is the average marks of boys in English, guys? What is that number? 8 boys. Boys 8, girls 9. Overall 8.8. So guys, this is 0.2 and this is 0.8. So this is 1:4, everyone. Huh? Guys, is it clear? Order is fine. हाँ एक बार check कर लीजिए. So they are saying girls is 9, boys is 8 and overall average is 8.8. This is the column of English that we have taken, right everyone? This is the column of English. Fine. So guys, the ratio of boys to girls in that class is 1:4. Correct everybody? So to make it simple, you just assume the minimum number which is possible, right? So I'll be assuming that we have only one boy in the class and we have only 4 girls in the class, right? This is the least case that we can consider, right? So just assume that we have only one boy in the class and we have only 4 girls in the class, right? So all of you, if we have one boy, if we have only one boy and 4 girls, now let's talk about the column of Hindi, right everybody? Now let's talk about the column of Hindi. In Hindi, one boy is there, so one boy is getting 7 marks, right? And 4 girls are there, and each girl, the average marks of the girls is what? 8, right? So 8 into 4. So guys, in Hindi, the total marks of the class is 7 plus 32 is 39. And total student, what we have assumed? 5. So 39 divided by 5, that is 7.8. Guys, getting it or not? Everyone? Okay. So this was the question that UPSC has asked from this topic. हाँ, ये तो रेशियो है ना, आप इसको 2:10 मतलब 2 and 8 भी एज्यूम कर सकते हैं. फिर एक्चुअली क्या होगा, जैसे आपने 5 से डिवाइड किया ना, फिर वो 10 से डिवाइड होता है और यहाँ पे डबल हो जाता है. आप समझ के देखो, जैसे मान लीजिए आप यहाँ पे इसको मान लीजिए एज्यूम करते हैं आप, लेट्स से 10 and 40, ठीक? तो यहाँ पे 10 का मल्टीप्लाई होता है, यहाँ पे 40 का मल्टीप्लाई होता है, तो ओवरऑल ये 10 टाइम्स हो गया होता अपना, और फिर आपने 10 से डिवाइड किया होता. गॉट इट? तो जो आप अज्यूम करेंगे उसी रेशियो में रिजल्ट बदलता रहेगा, राइट? और फिर आपको उसी से डिवाइड कर देना है, तो कॉमन आके वो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. करेक्ट? यस, एवरीबडी फाइन नाउ. 1:4. See, this is 0.2 and this is 0.8. So if you multiply both the terms with 10, suppose that, so this will be 2:8, and 2:8 is 1:4 finally, right? Okay. Yes guys, any other doubt? Those who are sitting online, friends? Everybody, hope you are getting it. Online students के पास book है ना आप लोगों के पास? Yes everyone, those who are sitting online, Sophia, Udayashri, Arushi, Vasu, Neil, Tanvi. All right. ठीक है. देखिए मैं एक बार स्टार्टिंग से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. All right. मैं एक बार स्टार्टिंग से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. If you are not getting it, देखिए सबसे पहले इंग्लिश वाला कॉलम देखिए. जस्ट गो टू दैट इंग्लिश का कॉलम. यू हैव the average marks of boys is 8 and the average marks of girls is 9. The average marks of the entire class is 8.8. Correct? So this will give you the ratio of the numbers of boys to girl in that class. So the ratio of boys to girl is 1:4. So we have assumed the least case that there is one boy in the class and there are 4 girls in the class, right? Now let's come to the column of Hindi. So in Hindi, the average marks of boy is 7 and the average marks of girls are 8. So there are one boy in the class, so 1 into 7, right, which is 7 marks. And there are 4 girls are there in the class, and each girl is getting average 8 marks. So total 4 girls are getting 4 into 8, that is 32 marks. So total marks obtained in the class is 39 in Hindi subject, and there are 5 students, right? So total divided by number of students to get the average marks. So total divided by number of students. From where we are getting 5? So 1 boy and 4 girls. So this is 5. Everybody clear now? Right? All of you? Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. Okay. Shall we move now, friends? Everyone done? Okay. So this was UPSC question, UPSC 2020, right? So guys, you know what? If you know the concept, just while reading the question, you are able to figure it out, like how we are going to solve this question. That will be very simple. Else, you will do the normal approach, you will do the normal method, X, Y, something, something. So, right? Anyways, let's move to the next one, guys. Okay, just read this question. See friends, prima facie, this question looks like the question of interest. Just read that. Right? This question looks like the question of simple interest. Just read that. Yes? The question is saying, a man bought, no, sorry, ये profit and loss का लग रहा है. I'm really sorry guys. This looks like profit and loss. Right? Question is saying, a man bought a horse and a carriage for rupees 3,000. ठीक है? He sold the horse at a profit of 20% and the carriage at a loss of 10%. ठीक? And overall he gained 2% on the entire transaction. Find out the CP of the horse and the carriage. Right? So prima facie this question looks like the question of profit and loss, guys. Yes or no? Huh? ठीक? But this question can be solved with this process also. So that's why I'm always saying mixtures and alligation is a very strong tool of solving so many questions of arithmetic. Right? देखिए जरा इसको कैसे करेंगे. मुझे ये बताइए, a man bought a horse and a carriage for rupees 3,000. मतलब 3,000 रुपए में उसने एक horse and a carriage purchase किया. Carriage समझते हैं, horse समझते हैं, right? Okay, ठीक है. So horse and carriage, right? He bought a horse and the carriage for rupees 3,000. Fine. He sold the horse at a profit of 20%. Everyone, 20% profit. 20% profit. Do you understand what is 20% profit? I mean, what is the mathematical significance of 20% profit?
Cost price plus 20% of.
Yes, guys. If an article is sold at 20% profit, it means the article is sold at 120% of cost price. Everybody clear? 20% profit means SP is equal to 120% of CP. Nice, clear? So this is 120%, and here what? What should I write? 90%. And overall? Overall what? 2% profit, right? So it will be 102%. So guys, just think on it. Everyone, percentage profit. Everybody, percentage profit. What is the formula for that? I mean, if you find percentage profit, then how to find that? Find that. See, everyone, percentage profit means profit divided by CP into 100. यही होगा ना? जैसे मान लीजिए, if you made a profit of 10 rupees out of 100 rupees, so you made a profit of 10% actually. So 10 divided by 100 into 100. Actually, the situation will be like this, right? Guys, percentage profit or percentage loss. ठीक है? Just wait. Percentage profit or percentage loss, both will have the denominator part as CP. Think on it. Right? So here, what you are writing? Percentage profit, percentage loss, right? So guys, the denominator, I mean, here you will be getting the ratio of what? Yes, here you are going to get the ratio of CP. Think on it, guys. Yes or no? Right? Here you are going to get the percentage of, the ratio of CP. Correct everyone? Because always you are going to get the ratio of the denominator part of the unit. Correct? ये बात हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक है? And just look at the question also. They are saying find out the CP of the horses and the carriage. Right? Okay? Acha. So now, just tell me, what should I write here? 12. And what should I write here? 18. Everyone, this is the ratio of 12 is to 18. Though it can be simplified as 2 is to 3. But I don't want to do that because total is 3000. Right? 3000 will be distributed in the ratio 12 is to 18. Correct? Huh? Right? 12 is to 18 means what? What is the sum? 30. So 30, this divided by 30 will what? 100. So this is 1200 and this is 1800. So cost price of the horse is 1200 rupees. Right? So yes. So this is 1200 and 1800. So CP of the horse is 1200 and CP of the carriage is 1800. Guys, is it correct? Okay. Everyone fine now? Alright. So please note it down. Any confusion, any query, any doubt?
एग्जाम में आगे तो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का जो बेनिफिट से करना है?
मैं वही बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ना जैसे कि ओवरऑल भी यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, एक हॉर्स है, एक कैरेज है और ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट भी दिया हुआ है. राइट? हॉर्स का भी दिया हुआ है, कैरेज का भी दिया हुआ है, ओवरऑल भी दिया हुआ है. राइट? तो इसको जो है आप एलिगेशन से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. राइट? इसलिए. ठीक है? ओके? ऑलराइट. Guys, any other doubt? Any other query? Anyone else in the class? No? Okay. विशाल, ठीक है अभी? चलें आगे बढ़े हम लोग. हो गया? ओके. आदर्श आपका हो गया? ठीक है. चलिए इसके बाद देखिए. See guys, now again just look at this question. Just look at this question. The question is saying in an office the average salary of a clerk is rupees 600 and that of peon is rupees 84. And the average salary of the entire staff is rupees 90. So guys, there are two subgroups in the office. Like the bigger group is office, right? The entire staff of the office, and the one group is clerk, another group is peon, right? So their average is given and the average of the entire bigger group is also given, right? Okay. So just think on it, guys. This is clerk and this is peon. Clerk ka average salary is 600, peon ka average salary is 84. And the average salary for entire staff is rupees 90, right? So this is 6 is to 510. Guys, what is the ratio? Whose ratio is this? This ratio is representing what? Why? Why? See, average means what? Total divided by number of clerks. Average means what? Average salary of clerk means what? The total salary given to clerks divided by number of clerks. So this and this is representing the number of clerks and the number of peons. Average means what, guys? Total salary given divided by number of clerks or total salary given divided by number of peons. Right? So denominator part is number. So this ratio is representing number of employees, number of clerks and number of peons. Correct? Acha, by the way, I don't want to convert this, I don't want to simplify this right now. I'll check the number. Question is saying if the number of clerk in the office is 12, right guys, this is clerk. The number of clerks in the office is 12. So this is double of this, right? The number of clerks in the office is 12. Double of that will be what? 1020. This is 510, 1020, right? Very good. So guys, this is 1020. So in the office we have 1020 peons. हाँ हाँ आगे ठीक है ठीक है। सबसे पहले ये देखिए कि एवरेज क्या क्या दिया हुआ है। क्लर्क का एवरेज 600, पियन का एवरेज इज 84, राइट। ओवरऑल इंटायर स्टाफ इज 90, राइट। जस्ट फाउंड द रेशियो। अब ये रेशियो इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ क्लर्क्स एंड द नंबर ऑफ पियन्स इन द ऑफिस, राइट। Question is saying if there are 12 clerks in the office, what you are getting is 6. Question is saying 12. So double of this. So your data is actually half of the actual data of the question. Right? So just make it double to find the actual value which is there in the question. Right? Shri, fine now?
Sir, ऐसे questions में intentionally ऐसे digit दिए रहेंगे ना?
हाँ हाँ जो कि feasible होंगे calculation के लिए. Yes. नहीं कुछ भी होगा तो सॉल्व तो हो ही जाएगा सॉल्व तो हो ही जाएगा। जैसे मान लीजिए कि यहाँ पे 12 नहीं होता सपोज दैट, तो 13 नहीं होता यार, 13 भी नहीं होगा। 13 इसलिए नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ पियून या नंबर ऑफ क्लर्क्स है ना, वो डेसिमल में तो होगा नहीं। तो अगर वो डेसिमल में नहीं होगा, वो इंटीजर्स में होगा, तो इंटीजर्स में होगा तो इसका कोई ना कोई मल्टीपल जरूर बनेगा। समझ रहे हैं? राइट, clear? Clear? Okay. That's good. That's really good, guys. Okay. ठीक है, चलिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ जाएं। Guys, any doubt? विशाल, ठीक है, मजा आ रहा है? हाँ, मजा आते रहना चाहिए। ओके, तबीयत ठीक है आपकी? हाँ, चलिए, वेरी गुड। क्योंकि कल आदर्श बता रहे थे कि ऐसी डॉक्टर मिल गई थी कि घर नहीं जाना पड़ा हमको, यहीं पे सब ठीक हो गया। तो मैंने कहा शायद आपको भी कोई डॉक्टर मिल गई हो। चलिए खैर, एनीवेज, ओके। सो एवरीवन, नाउ let's move to the next question. Yes, guys, I was talking about this question when I said the interest. So this question, just read this question, everyone, right? The question is saying, a man invested 20,000 at 10% per annum simple interest and another amount at 5% at simple interest. At the end of the year, he got 7% interest on the entire investment. Right, everybody? Just read this question, okay? So the question is saying a man invested 20,000 at 10% per annum at simple interest and another amount at 5% per annum at simple interest. At the end of the year, he got 7% interest on the entire investment. Find out the total investment. Correct? So 10% per annum simple interest and 5% per annum simple interest, and overall he got 7% simple interest per annum at the end of the year, right? What is this? This is 2, and what is this? 3. Guys, the question is saying he invested 20,000 at 10% per annum simple interest. So at 10% per annum, 20,000, right? So 2 is equal to 20,000, then 3 is equal to what? 30,000. So if you add this, you will get 50,000. Right? So entire investment was 50,000 rupees. Done? Okay? Yes, everybody fine now? Any confusion, guys? No? Adarsh? ठीक है? I am comfortable. Okay. Vishal? ठीक है? Okay. All? Okay. चलिए. Yes, everybody. Now let's move to the next question, guys. अच्छा, एक बात आपको बताता हूँ कि in these type of questions we have actually 2 methods, right? जैसे कि मान लीजिए, you please read this question. ठीक है? So in these questions, we can use the two methods, and I'll be showing you both the methods, guys. This is method number 1 and this is method number 2, right? And obviously, I'll be using both of them, and we need to check the feasibility of both the statements or both the methods, fine, and how they are important and why it is important to know both of them. The question, just read the question. A man invested 20,000 into two parts. Guys, in the last question, the man invested 20,000 in first investment and some other amount in another investment, right? Here, he invested 20,000 into two parts. So total investment is 20,000, right? And one at 12% per annum simple interest, another at 7% per annum simple interest, and at the end of the year he got 2,000 as an interest on the total investment. Correct? So guys, 2,000 with respect to 20,000 is what?
10%.
Yes, 2,000 with respect to 20%, sorry, with respect to 20,000 is 10%, right? So at the end of the year, overall, he received 10% interest on the entire investment. Guys, yes or no? Right. So here, 12% per annum and what? 7% per annum and 10%. So what is this? This is 3:2. Everyone, yes or no? So friend, the question is saying a man invested 12,000 into two parts, and here the ratio is 3:2. So 3:2, like 12,000 will be divided in the ratio 3:2. What we are going to get, guys? It is 3:2, sure. No, not 12,000, it's 20,000. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry, friends. It is 20,000. It is 20,000 into two parts, 3:2. Yes. So this is 12,000 and 8,000. Everyone fine now? And when I'm writing 12,000, why you are not telling me that it is 20,000? कुल लग रहा है फंसने दो इसको, हाँ खुद ही समझेगा. Guys, is it clear? See, last part is 20,000 he invested into two parts, right? देखिए, question is saying the man invested 20,000 into two parts. The first part he invested at 12% per annum simple interest. The second part he invested at 7% per annum simple interest. At the end of the year, he get 10% interest on the total investment, right? So 12, 7, 10. So this is 3:2. So a man invested total investment in the ratio 3:2. And what is the total investment? 20,000. So 20,000 will be invested in the ratio 3:2. So now divide 20,000 into 3:2 ka ratio, right? So this is 12,000 and 8,000. So first part was 12,000 and the second investment was 8,000. Okay? Guys, any doubt? No? Done? Okay. अच्छा, अब देखिए next method. See guys, to solve this question, actually it is very simple process, right? But the second method is important. Why? Because here 2,000 is 10%. It is very much evident, very much obvious, right? But sometimes यहाँ पे एक ऐसा number लिखा होगा, it will be really difficult to convert that number into this percentage, right? Or if somehow if you are able to convert that, but that will be a very weird kind of number. Let's say it is 7/7.39. Suppose that it is like this. Then the calculation will become very tedious, right? So try to avoid the tedious calculation always, right? Because there are chances of mistakes are more, chances of errors are more, right? So please always try to avoid the tedious calculation in the examination, right? So here, everybody, just look at this. Can we convert the entire thing into rupees? Here they are saying 2,000 rupees. So here, can we convert this 12% and 7% in terms of rupees?
Yes.
Right. So 12% of 20,000 is what? 12% of 20,000 is what? 2,400, correct. So the first part is 2400. I mean, here it is 2400, and here 7% of 20,000 is 1400, and here it is 2000. Everybody clear? And yes, what is the difference? 6 and 4, and this is 3, 2. Everyone fine now? Now 20,000 will be divided into this ratio, so this we have done here. Is it fine now? Right? So either you can solve this method, you can use this method, or you can use this method. Like either way it is there. Okay? Yes, everybody? Guys, is it fine? Those who are sitting online? Renuga, Pratyusha, Tabriz, Udayashri, Lalit. Guys, is it fine now? Okay, that's great. Shall we move? Huh? So now friends, I'll give you one question. So first of all, you please just let me know whether you are going to use method number 1 or method number 2, and then please try to solve that. पहले एक बार जरा देखिए इसको. Just read this question. Right? Just read. And question is saying a man invested 1550 into two parts. One at 8% simple interest and another at 6% simple interest per annum. At the end of the year, he got rupees 106 as the simple interest. Find out the amount invested at each rate. So guys, method number 1 or method number 2? Method 2. Why? See, method 1 can be the cumbersome one, right? Because here 106, you need to find 106 is what percentage of 1550. Getting it? So it's better you can find 6% and 8% of 1550 in spite of trying to find this number is what percentage of this number. Right? Okay, करिए जरा एक बार. Please try to solve this. करिए जरा. Yes, all of you. हाँ जी हो गया? नो. आपका आ क्या रहा है? 13:18. सही आया. मैं करता हूँ. देखिए एवरीवन, 13:18 is the correct ratio that you have got. देखिए, see guys, here 8% of 1550. 8% of 1550, 15 it's a 120 and 0.5 into 4, I mean 4, 0.5 into 8 is 4, 124. Right, 6% is 93, 15 6 are this, 90 and 3. And this is 106, correct everyone? So this will be 13 and this will be 18. So 13:18 is the correct ratio. Right? Now the total investment is 1550. Okay, everybody. 1550 will be divided in the ratio 13:18. 13 plus 18 is 31. 31. 155 divided by 31 is 5. Just think on it. 31 into 5 is 155. Yes or no? So 1550 divided by 31 will give you 50. So 15 into 13 and 15 into 18. So 13 into 5 is 65, 650 and 900. Yes guys, this is the answer. Alright. Everyone fine now? Yes. Yes, Ravi Kiran, your answer is correct. Arushi, your answer is correct. Vasu Yadav, your answer is also correct. Very good. Right. Parul, what happened?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
Calculation.
Yes, we could use all that. Okay, good. Yes, everyone done? विशाल हो गया? ठीक है, चलिए. All right. ठीक है. इसके बाद let's move to the next question. See guys, again, अब मुझे ये बताइए सबसे पहले तो just while reading the question, whose ratio you are going to get here? हाँ? रेशियो किस चीज का मिलेगा आपको? बता रहे हैं? बताइए. किस चीज का रेशियो मिलेगा? किस चीज का रेशियो मिलेगा ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स? गाइस, किस बात का रेशियो मिलेगा? सबसे पहले ये बताइए. टाइम का रेशियो मिलेगा. यस यस यस, आपको रेशियो मिलेगा टाइम का. क्यों? क्योंकि स्पीड्स गिवन है ना. ठीक है, स्पीड हो, सॉरी, स्पीड्स होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. ठीक है, स्पीड होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. ठीक है, तो जब आप इसमें स्पीड्स को एलिगेशन में डालेंगे तो यू विल गेट द रेशियो ऑफ टाइम. करेक्ट एवरीवन? ये बात ध्यान रखिएगा हमेशा. ठीक है, तो देखिए जरा. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग सुमित कवर्ड 150 किलोमीटर इन 10 hours. Everybody, Sumit covered 150 kilometers in 10 hours. It means what is the average speed for the entire journey? 150 in 10 hours. What is the average speed? 15 kilometer per hour. Right? So Sumit covered 150 kilometer in 10 hours. ठीक है? That is okay. First part of his journey he covered by car. Then he hired a rickshaw at the speed, and the speed of car and rickshaw are 20 and 12. ठीक है. So guys, this is car and this is rickshaw. Right? And their speeds are in the ratio 20 and 12. And for the entire journey, his average speed was what? Done? Okay. Stick the alligation concept. It will be like 3 is to what? 5. Now everyone, this ratio is telling you Sumit covered the distance by car and by rickshaw in the, Sumit covered the distance in the ratio of 3 is to 5, but he has given the time. 3 units time उसने कार से travel किया है and 5 units time he traveled on rickshaw. Correct? It can be 3 minutes, it can be 3 days, it can be 3 hours, it can be 3 something else. But it should be the unit of time only. Clear everybody? Right? So now, what is the question?
Distance का ratio.
The question is find the ratio of the distances covered by the car and the rickshaw respectively. देखिए, let me tell you, in the options you will get this ratio also, 3 is to 5. Right? But you don't have to choose this option as the answer. This is not the right answer. This is the ratio of the distance, ratio of the time that he had traveled with these two vehicles. Correct? So here, मुझे ये बता दीजिए. देखिए, मैं आपको एक बात बता देता हूँ. Directly you can find the ratio just by multiplying the speeds. What is the speed of car? 20. If you multiply 20, you will get 60 kilometers he traveled with the car. If you multiply 12, 60. So the answer is 1:1. Guys, that is okay. This ratio is correct. But एक बात का ध्यान रखिएगा. Here the total distance is 150 kilometer. These are not the exact distances that he has covered while traveling with car and the rickshaw. Right? Because this is total is what, 120? The total has to be 150. Right? How come you can get 150, guys? Right? देखिए. What is the total time he has devoted? 10 hours. 10 hours in the ratio of 3:5. So first of all, 10 will be divided in the ratio 3:5. ठीक है? So 10 by 8 into 3 and 10 by 8 into 5. Guys, yes or no? ठीक है? So this is actually what? This is 5 by 4. So 15 by 4 and 25 by what? 4. Yeah, no? ठीक है? So actually he traveled like for 15 by 4 hours with car and he traveled for 25 by 4 hours with rickshaw. Correct? Now the distance is covered. ठीक है? So the distance covered, distance is what? Speed into time. So speed into time. Time is this, speed is this. ठीक है? So guys, 75. ठीक है? And 25 by 4 into 12. No, 12. So this is 3. So this is again 75. So distances are 75, 70. Now you are getting the sum as 150, guys. And this is 1:1. Right? So देखिए एक बात समझ लीजिए. आप आंसर यहीं से निकाल लीजिए, not a problem. Because from here you will get the answer fast. Right? Everybody okay with this? ठीक है. अब जब 1:1 आ जाएगा तो आपको ये तो पता ही है कि टोटल है 150. 150 will be divided in the ratio 1:1. Anyways you are going to get 75. Right? So why to do this much calculation for getting 75? Getting it? This is just for the verification. Right? But for the examination point of view, this approach should be used. Correct, everyone? Right? And anyways your question is what? It is an objective question paper. Right? Only your OMR will be checked. What method have you used? Who is going to see that method? Right? Nobody is going to check that method. Right, everyone? Fine. किसी को नहीं मतलब है कि आपने क्या किया है वहाँ पे. आपने 1:1 निकाल दिया, बस ठीक. बल्कि 1:1 भी निकाल दिया, उसके बाद भी हो सकता है आपने C की जगह D मार्क कर दिया, तो भी वो गलत हो गया. Right? Right? Okay? All right. Yes, everybody, guys, is it clear now? Shall we move? Those who are sitting online, guys. Okay. ठीक है, very good. All right, that's great. Okay. Shall we move now, friends? Any doubt? Any confusion? No? Okay. चलिए जरा next question देखिए. All right. Okay. Guys, again, this question looks like the question of profit and loss. देखिए जरा ध्यान से आप इसको. Just read that question. The question prima facie it looks like the question of profit and loss. Right? Just read the question carefully. Question is saying in what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of sugar costing 60 rupees per kg and 65 rupees per kg so that by selling the mixture worth rupees 68.20 per kg he may gain 10%. Right? The profit should be 10%. Right? मुझे एक बात बताइए, all of you. Can I use directly here like this? क्या मैं सीधे सीधे ऐसा कर सकता हूँ? 60, 65, 68.2 Can I do that directly? Yes or no? If yes, then it is okay. If no, then why not? Can I do this directly? If yes, then it is okay. If no, then why not? Can I do that? Yes, those who are sitting online also, guys. Can I do that? कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते हैं? Shakti saying sir no. Okay. All right. Guys, anyone else? Yes or no? Okay. Vasu is saying sir no. All right. Anyone else? हाँ, others. कह रहे हैं तो कर ही दीजिए सर, क्या परेशान कर रहे हो? Yes. See, all of you, we cannot solve this question like this. The reason is this number is not lying between these two numbers. Think on it, right? What is the concept? The concept says C, D and M, right? M is the mean price which lies between these two prices, right? So this is not lying in this figure actually.
Then what it means?
Telling you. पहले तो सबसे पहले ये समझना है कि ऐसे नहीं करना है, राइट? अब कैसे करना है उस पर आते हैं.
इसका मतलब क्या है?
इसका मतलब भी बता रहे हैं आपको, राइट? इज इट क्लियर गाइस? कि सबसे पहले आप इस डेटा को एलिगेशन में नहीं डालेंगे, ठीक? इसलिए नहीं डालेंगे बिकॉज दिस नंबर इज नॉट लाइंग बिटवीन दिस टू नंबर्स, ठीक? अब जरा बात समझिए. योर फ्रेंड आस्क्ड अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू विद दिस डेटा. फिर इसका करेंगे क्या? इसका मतलब क्या है, राइट? सो एक बात समझिए फ्रेंड्स कि वन शुगर इज कॉस्टिंग ₹60 and another sugar is costing ₹65 and they are being mixed together, right? So obviously the price of the mixture will be somewhere between 60 and 65, that is very sure, right? So what is written here, this should not be the actual cost of the mixture. What is this? By selling at this price, the grocer is getting 10% profit. And 10% profit means what? It is 110% of the actual cost price of the mixture. Everybody getting it? So this number is not the price of the mixture. This is actually 110% of the price of the mixture. Just read this line once again. So that by selling the mixture worth rupees this, he is gaining 10%. He may gain means he gains 10%. Guys, is it fine? ठीक है? देखिए, जब वो 68 रुपए 20 पैसे में बेच रहा है तो उसको 10% का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, ये लिखा हुआ है. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो 68 रुपए 20 पैसा है वो मिक्सचर की एक्चुअल कॉस्ट का 110% है. आप समझ गए? हालांकि मिक्सचर की जो कॉस्ट है वो आनी चाहिए इन दोनों के बीच में ही, क्योंकि भाई एक 60 रुपीज़ का एक 65 का दोनों को आपस में मिलाएंगे तो उसके बीच में ही आएगा कहीं ना कहीं, राइट? तो अब मिक्सचर की एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है, पहले ये फाइंड कर लिया जाए. मिक्सचर की एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है क्या, पहले ये फाइंड कर लिया जाए. तो 110% ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मिक्सचर इज ₹68.20, ठीक? सो 100% ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मिक्सचर इज व्हाट? 68.20 डिवाइडेड बाई 110 इंटू 100. एवरीबडी क्लियर? ठीक है. अच्छा, ये देखिए, एक काम करें आप, ये डेसिमल हटा दीजिए, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ठीक? एंड ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज 682 डिवाइडेड बाई 11, राइट? 682 डिवाइडेड बाई 11 इज इक्वल टू 62, ठीक है? तो पता है मिक्सचर की जो एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है विच इज नॉट 68.20, दिस इज एक्चुअली 62 रुपीज, राइट? Now use the alligation because now this data is completely feasible for this method, right? This is apt for this method now, right? Everybody clear, guys? How? What should be coming here and what should be coming here? This is 2. Okay. So in what ratio? So in the ratio of 3:2. Everybody clear now? Right? All of you? Huh? Done? Very good. Please note it down. Here. तो क्वेश्चन का डेटा जो है ना आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ते ही क्लियर होना चाहिए कि लाइक हाउ दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी अटेम्प्टेड, राइट? व्हाट शुड बी द प्रोसेस दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन को देख करके नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, सो प्लीज डोंट गो फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन, एल्स आप हो सकता है गलत कर दें उसको, राइट? तो आपको पहले पता चलना चाहिए कि ये क्वेश्चन करना है तो कैसे करना है, कितना टाइम लेना है, क्या प्रोसेस है. ठीक है, और अभी मैं आपको धीरे धीरे ना कैलकुलेशंस की टेक्निक्स भी बताता चलूँगा. तो वहाँ पे ऐसा होगा कि आप कभी कभी क्या होगा कि आप इसको देखेंगे और समझ जाएंगे कि ये क्या है, राइट? वो मैं बता दूंगा धीरे से आपको. ठीक है, अभी नहीं बता रहा हूँ बता दूंगा धीरे धीरे. यस, ऑलराइट, शैल यू मूव नाउ गाइस? हाँ, ठीक है. एनी डाउट फ्रेंड्स? विशाल, एनी डाउट? ठीक है, अच्छा चलिए जरा आगे बढ़ जाइए. यस, देखिए अगेन द सिमिलर क्वेश्चन. देखिए, बट हियर दे हैव गिवन वन मोर डेटा. चेक करिए प्लीज, राइट? ऑलमोस्ट द सिमिलर क्वेश्चन विद वन मोर डेटा गाइस. देखें जरा, check it out please. Okay, yes, what the question is saying, the question is saying how many kgs, right? How many kgs of sugar costing 9 rupees per kg must be mixed with 27 kg of sugar costing 7 rupees per kg so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture at rupees 9.24 per kg. Correct everybody? Huh? So this time again the person, I mean the grocer is selling the mixture at 9.24 rupees per kg on 10% profit, right? Or at 10% profit. Huh? So 110% of the cost of the mixture is rupees 9.24. Yes or no guys? Right? Huh? So 100% of the mixture, so I am writing it directly because I know the value. So this is 8.4, right? Now just look at the data, 9 rupees per kg and 7 rupees per kg. So guys, 9 rupees per kg, 7 rupees per kg, and this is 8.4. What is this? And what is this? 0.6. So this is what? This is 14 by 6, right? If you multiply both the numbers by 10, so this is 14:6. 14:6 will be what? 7:3. So this is 7:3, everybody, right? Now just look at the language of the question. The question is saying how many kgs of sugar costing 9 rupees per kg? How many kgs? Everybody just look at this. How many kgs of sugar costing 9 rupees? 9 is here. Costing 9 rupees per kg must be mixed with 27 kg of sugar costing 7 rupees per kg. So this sugar you have 27 kg guys, right? So 27 is 9 times of 3. So 9 times of 7 will be coming here. Yes, so this is 63 guys, right? So you just have to add 63 kg of sugar to get the desired result. Correct everybody? Right? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any question? Anyone in the class? Friends, any doubt? Any question? Clear? Right? Okay. And after that, After that, shall we move? Huh? Next question, right? After that, see, just look at this, friends. The question says, how many kgs, the milk and the water in the vessel A and B are 4:3 and 2:3 respectively. In what ratio the liquids in both the vessel be mixed to obtain a new mixture in vessel C containing half milk and half water? ठीक है? देखिए, all of you, this is vessel A. क्या है इसमें? 4:3 में milk and water है, ठीक है? And this is vessel B. Here 2:3 milk and water. ठीक है? यही है ना? Right? Question is saying these two mixtures are mixed in some ratio in another vessel C, which is containing half milk and half water. Let's look at this. Right? Just read the question carefully, please. Done? Right? अब देखिए, मुझे एक बात बताइएगा. You just observe the data carefully, guys. Right? Just observe the data carefully. Here, just by looking at this data, we can say if we mix this and this mixture completely together, then this is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what? Milk will be added to milk, right? 6. And 3 plus 3, 6. So this is 1:1. हो रहा है? Right? तो आप मुझे ये बताइए, what should be the answer for this question? Huh? Question is saying half milk and half what? Half water, means 1:1 should be the ratio of milk and water, right? And that you are getting it, I mean, just by looking at the data. So what should be the answer for this question? What should be the ratio that we should write in the answer? No idea? Okay. Shirin? No idea? Arun? Vishal? No? Ayan? No? Adarsh? No? Those who are sitting online, guys, what should I write? 50-50. Vasu Yadav is saying, sir, 1:1, 50-50. See, everybody, let me tell you, guys, here, though this is, yes, 1:1, but the final answer will be what? You know, the final answer will be the 1 unit of this and the 1 unit of this. If they are mixed together, then there will be the ratio of 1:1. That is very correct. Now, the 1 unit of this will be what? The 1 unit of this will be 4 plus 3, 7 liters. And the 1 unit of this will be what? 2 plus 3, 5 liters. Just think on it, right? If you take 7 liters of this, so that 7 liter will have 4 liters of milk and 3 liters of water. And 5 liters of this, 5 liters of this will have 2 liters of milk and 3 liters of water. If they will be added together, then they will have 6 liters of milk and 6 liters of water. So they should be mixed in the ratio what? Guys, the answer is 7:5. Right? But always, I mean, for this particular question, this is just a by chance that for this particular question, the data is so friendly that just by looking at the data, you can tell me the answer. Right? But always, the data will not be that friendly. You have to solve this question with the process. Right? Now, what should be the process, everybody? Now, what should be the process to solve these type of questions? Right? So, guys, the mixtures and alligation process states what? देखिए जरा, इधर देखिए. This type of question will be solved with the help of one ingredient only. I repeat, these type of questions will be solved with the help of one ingredient only. One ingredient means if you are taking water, then take water from here, here and here. From all the 3 vessels, you need to write water. If you are taking milk, then from all the 3 vessels, milk, milk and milk. Clear, everybody? Right? देखिए, So what is the concentration of milk here? This is 4/7, right? So just take 4/7. All right. What is the concentration of milk here? 2/5. And what is the concentration of milk here? 1/2. ठीक है? Yes. So guys, this is 1/2 and this is 2/5. So the difference is 1/10, right? And this is 1/2 and 4/7. एक काम कर लीजिए, इसको 14 बना दीजिए. So this is 8/14 and this is 7/14. So 8/14 minus 7/14 is 1/14, right? So guys, 1/10 is to 1/14. So by doing the cross multiplication, this will become what? 14 is to 10, right? So 14 is to 10 means what? 7 is to 5. Guys, is it clear? Right? Okay. So this is the process to deal with these type of questions. Correct, everyone? So this is the process, right? And let me tell you, I have solved this question with the help of milk. You can verify this with the help of water also. ठीक है, आप कर सकते हैं. But अगर question में if you are getting this type of data, right everyone, if you are getting this type of friendly data in the question, then there is no need to solve the question. Just take 1 unit of this and 1 unit of this, and that will be 7:5. आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Right? Okay. Please note it down. So सबसे पहले you please observe the question carefully, right? Done, all of you? Vishal, it's clear now? ठीक है, चलिए. Yes everyone, any doubt, any confusion, any query? हो गया? ठीक है. Those who are sitting online, guys, any confusion? Any doubt, any query? No? Shall you move now? Okay. All right. After that, let's just look at this question. Just look at this question, friends. The question is saying the milk and water. Oh, sorry, not milk and water. 140 liters solution of milk and water. 140 liters of solution of milk and water contains 10% water. How much pure water must be added to it so that the resulting mixture contain 12.5% water? Right? See, all of you, just look at this question carefully. Here, 10% water, right? Let's say this is vessel 1, right? 10% water. And obviously 90% milk, right? And vessel 2. Question is saying how much pure water must be added, right? And vessel C. So this is 12.5. So obviously this is 12.5. So obviously this will be 87.5, right? मुझे ये बताइए, what should I write here? Yes, all of you. Just read the question carefully. 140 liters of milk and water contains 10% water, right? So I have taken this in vessel A, right? And the resulting mixture contains 12.5% water. So I have taken this in vessel C, the resulting mixture, right? And how much pure water must be added to it? How much pure water? So it means vessel B. What should I write here? What is the percentage of water or what is the percentage of milk? बोलिए.
15 मतलब
अच्छा,
12 से ज़्यादा रहेगा.
नहीं कितना रहेगा बताइए. पारुल आप बताइए. Ayan, what should be the percentage of water? अच्छा, I think it should be, हाँ. बस उसके बाद रुक जाओ. I think it should be, हाँ. यार एक बात बताओ, इधर देखो जरा. लिखा हुआ है हाउ मच प्योर वाटर मस्ट बी एडेड. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मिल्क तो है ही नहीं ना यार, पूरा का पूरा वाटर है, 100% वाटर है. It is 100% water यार. Right, I think it should be. It should be nothing. Right. Guys, is it clear? Friends, any doubt? No? Fine now. अब देखिए, you can take either of the two ingredients, be it milk or be it water, right, from all the vessels. So what should I take? You please tell me. Water? Water? Alright, water. So 10% water, 100% water and 12.5% water. Guys, is it fine now? Oh? So this will be what? This will be this will be 2.5 and this will be what? 87.5. Huh? ठीक है. So everyone, मुझे बताइए जरा, if I just remove this decimal, so this will be 875 is to 25, right? So 875 is to 25 will be 35 is to 1, right everybody? Now the question is saying how much pure water, right? How much pure water? It means you need to tell me like how many liters of water must be added, right? How many liters? So guys, here 10% water concentration, what is the quantity of this? 140, correct? So this is 4 times of this, so this should be 4 times of this, so 4 liter water will be added guys. Okay, 4 liter water will be added. Everybody clear now? Last वाला is 35 is to 1 is clear. अब ये जो 10% water concentration है, ये है हमारे पास 140 लीटर. तो 35 जो है वो है 140 लीटर, राइट? सो ये 4 टाइम्स है इसका, तो इसका भी 4 टाइम्स होगा, विच इज 4 लीटर्स. ठीक है? यस. ओके, आरुषि वाज सेइंग 100%. ओके आरुषि, यू आर राइट. नहीं, देख के नहीं बोला है उसने, ऐसे ही पहले से बोला है. Yes. So guys, it is clear now, huh? All right. Arushi is saying, but sir, 140 is the mixture of milk and water. Yes, Arushi, this is also a mixture. See, this is the mixture, and let's say this is also the mixture, right? Here water concentration is 10% and here the water concentration is 100% and here the water concentration is 12.5%, right? Okay, so treat all of them as mixture only, right, with different concentration. Everyone fine now? All right. Okay, shall we move? Everybody? ठीक है. Vasu Yadav is asking, sir, how 27.5 in C? या 27.5 कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? 27.5 मैंने कहीं लिखा ही नहीं है. It is 87.5. 8 is looking like 2, is it? No. Yes. All right. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़े. इसके बाद देखिए, all of you, I think the last concept is there. This is the concept, guys, just read it. And friends, let me tell you, we are using this concept here, and in the questions of, in the chapter of percentage, we'll be solving this question once again, right? And there, we'll be solving this question just by looking at the data and telling the answer, right? So here you please solve this question with the process. Okay, just read the concept, everyone. Question says, suppose a container contains X units of pure liquid from which Y units have been taken out and replaced by water, and the same process is repeated many times. After n such operations, the quantity of pure liquid in the container will be X into 1 minus Y by X raised to the power n. Right? Guys, just think on it. Suppose that in a container some pure milk is there, right? Now, if you want to steal 5 liters of milk, suppose that, right? So you have taken out 5 liters of milk. Now you are afraid of somebody is getting to know about it, right? So what you have done, you have added 5 liters of water so that it is coming once again to like top level. Done? Okay. After that your friend came, he is just like you also, right? He has done the same thing. He has taken 5 liters of that mixture and poured 5 liters of water so that nobody can get to know about it. Again somebody else came and he does the same thing, right? So guys, you know what? After each such operation, the quantity of pure milk is getting reduced, yes or no? And the water is increased. Every time it is happening, the quantity of pure milk is getting reduced after each such operation, yes or no guys? Right? So question is saying after n such operations, the quantity of pure liquid will be this, right? So initially, the pure liquid is X units from which Y units have been taken out and replaced by water, After n such operations, the quantity of pure liquid will be this. Correct everyone? Huh? Right. Guys, is it clear? Okay? Okay. So let's take one question with this process, and in the chapter of percentage once again we'll be studying this, because this is a very it's a very important case of successive discount or successive increment or successive decrement, or this is the very important case of successive percentage change also, right? So we'll be discussing this once again. So as of now आप सिर्फ इस formula को use करिए और एक question solve करिए, right? Just read the question. From a container that contains 40 liters of pure milk, 4 liters of milk has been taken out and replaced by water. This operation has been performed 2 more times. Find out the quantity of the pure milk in the container now. Right? Everyone, मुझे बस इतना बताइए, what is the value of X? 40. What is the value of Y? 4. How many times the operation has been performed? Total 3. Because once it was done, 1 plus 2. 2 more times, right? So 1 plus 2. Total it is 3. So the value of n is 3. Guys, just look at this. इधर देख लीजिए, मैं कर देता हूँ. 40, 1 minus 4 by 40 raised to the power 3, right? यही है ना? So 40, 1 minus 1 by 10 raised to the power 3. So 40, 9 by 10 raised to the power 3. Guys, what is 9 cube?
729.
Yes, correct. ठीक है, सही बोल रहे हैं आप. So ये कैंसिल कर सकते हैं आप. So 729 into 4 is 2916. 2916 divided by 100 is 29.16 liters. So after 3 such operations, the quantity of pure milk will be reduced to 29.16 liters. So if you want to write it down, you may please write it down. Though we'll be solving these type of questions once again. Don't worry about it. All right? Fine? Okay. So guys, hope this topic is clear now, right? And everyone, I'm getting like the request of the students कि sir please दिवाली ब्रेक आप अभी से दे दीजिए. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि अभी कह रहे हैं कि सर आप क्लास में करवा देते हैं लेकिन हम घर जाके पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, बहुत फेस्टिवल जैसा इन्वायरमेंट हो गया है, राइट? कर लें, कंटिन्यू कर लें. थर्सडे तक क्लास है. ठीक है, कर लें फिर, मतलब क्लास कंटिन्यू कर लें, एवरेज खत्म कर लें, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं, प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा आप लोगों को, आप टेंशन मत लें लेकिन चलिए ठीक है, अगर आप लोग कहते हैं तो ठीक है। एंड गाइज देख लीजिएगा, मुझे अगर आपको लगता है तो आप मुझे टेलीग्राम में भी इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हैं और मैं भी आपको इन्फॉर्म कर सकता हूँ, राइट, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके एवरीवन, सो आई थिंक दिस टॉपिक इज ओवर नाउ। यस, so this is the book and this is the test series right? So, and thank you everyone, thank you, that's all for today. Yes everyone, so let's meet tomorrow, right everyone, at 10:30 AM sharp. Okay everybody, yes, Suman Babu, okay Suman Babu कह रहे हैं कि सब प्लीज कंटिन्यू, अच्छा ठीक है सुमन बाबू, it will be continued, don't worry. All right, okay guys, thank you.